èyí kì í ṣe òpin ìṣubú tó ní lórí donation yìí kì í ṣòpin rẹ̀. Ìyábọ̀ olè bábíà ńlá ó sì lè dìde o, má fààyè fún Sátánì kó jẹ́ kó pẹ́ nílùú Canada. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin abiyamọ.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ o, ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa wàhálà má ti wá dé báyìí, ẹ̀yin èèyàn ẹ farabalẹ̀ ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé nítorí wípé Lizzy Anjorin má ti jáde láti wá sọ̀rọ̀ gbá NAIRA MARLEY lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ wá nǹkan fìdílé bí ẹ ṣe máa bá wa ká lọ nínú fídíò yìí.
Mo tẹjọ́ lólùfẹ́ mi, èmi àti yín àti àwọn ọmọ wa wọn ò ní ṣàgbákò Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Ẹ ṣàmì kẹgbẹ tó ẹ̀mí. God bless you, amen my love. Èmi àti gbogbo olólùfẹ́ tèmi àtàwọn ọmọ wa ní ṣàgbákò Ìyábọ̀ Òjó inú ọ̀rìn àjò ayé wa. Ìrandíran wa ò ní ṣàgbákò Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. You see, it's quite unfortunate. Láti ìgbà tí NAIRA MARLEY tó ti sọ̀rọ̀ láti àná, òru àná mọ́jú èní. First of foremost, NAIRA MARLEY, I appreciate you for the fact that your patience proves that being silent for blackmailers is not the solution. Because I kept quiet for Ìyábọ̀ Òjó for a very long time. And when I speak up, when I start facing Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, a lot of people were like, why noise? Why the noise? Why are you talking? Why Ìyábọ̀ Òjó every day? Why? In fact, Ìyábọ̀ Òjó has to tag her children, mad person. They gave me all sorts of names, but I never backed down. Because I wore the shoe. I was in that boat. I was the pilot of my life. It's only me that knows where it hurts. You don't understand? But when your matter now came, NAIRA MARLEY, you kept quiet for a very long time. When you kept quiet, I thought your quietness will prove me wrong. I thought your quietness will justify my noise. I thought you, NAIRA MARLEY, I thought your being quiet will give you justice. But thank you for holding on. Thank you for the patience. Thank you for the endurance. Thank you for showing the whole world that quietness is not the solution to Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Speak up is the solution. Adimbi Baba Ijesha spoke up. Maybe he will still be around us, among us today. If you, NAIRA MARLEY, if you have spoken up, maybe this will not happen. But for the fact that Lizzy Anjorin, ó ti lè ṣépè jù, ó ti lè sọ̀rọ̀ jù, why Ìyábọ̀ Òjó every day? Why this lover? Why Esabod? Why is she talking? She's impatient. Why is she cursing? It shows that I am on a right track to deal with Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, this lover, Esabod, and all of them. You've made yourself to be an experiment of patience in dealing with blackmailers. But as you can see, NAIRA MARLEY, the society failed. The religion leader failed. The government are doing their best because who are the government? We are the government. But as you can see, everybody failed you. Even when this matter came, NAIRA MARLEY, mo dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ ẹ o. If not for you, in fact, I thought I was doing too much. NAIRA MARLEY, ó ṣe gan ni. Ṣé mi tẹ́ rò pé mo ṣàṣejù. Mo rò pé bóyá wàhálà mi ti pọ̀ jù. Èmi gan rò pé àbí mi ní sùúrù tó ni. Mo wá jókòó, mo wá rò pé, okay, NAIRA MARLEY tí ó sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wò bóyá ó máa rí justice. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wò bóyá ó máa fọ orúkọ ẹ̀ mọ́. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wò bóyá àwọn èèyàn wá tiẹ̀ gbọ́ side but NAIRA MARLEY, if not for you, people who thought Lizzy Anjorin is doing too much. But your patience has proven the fact that Lizzy Anjorin is on the right track in dealing with Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Now, I'll be playing your audio. I faced a lot since we started your case, and thank God that we saw it in IYABO Ojo's WhatsApp group, where they said anybody supporting Baba Mohbad or trying to look for justice, they should disgrace them. So what they did to me at Idumata is part of it. Sherry, Nigerian police, wọ́n kúkú ń gbìyànjú. Ẹ mọ̀ pé Yorùbá tí aburú ò bá ti kàn wọ́n kò kí ń yá wọn lára. Wọ́n rò pé nǹkan tí IYABO Ojo ṣe, wọ́n rò pé Mohbad nìkan ni IYABO Ojo ṣàbúrú fún. Wọ́n rò pé Naira Marley nìkan ni IYABO Ojo ṣàbúrú fún. Wọ́n rò pé Lizzy Anjorin nìkan ni IYABO Ojo ṣàbúrú fún. But a lot of people following IYABO Ojo that did not understand one fact, that if truly Naira Marley is innocent, if truly Lizzy Anjorin is innocent, everybody supports IYABO Ojo with their children who will have to face the consequence spiritually for the rest of their life. Because everything IYABO Ojo has been doing is like when you go to bank and deposit money. You know, one day you will go there to receive your credit alert. So IYABO Ojo has not been attacking Naira Marley alone, Very Dark Man alone. IYABO Ojo has not been attacking Lizzy Anjorin alone. IYABO Ojo has been attacking everybody. Everybody. Both the victim and those of you that did not know the truth. And unknowingly to you, you join IYABO Ojo in destroying innocent children. You don't understand, because everything you join IYABO Ojo to do to other people's children will surely come back to you and your children in billion folds. Whatever you do to other people's children will come back to you in billion folds. We faced a lot on that issue. Ẹ rí pé ìgbà náà ná pé àwa náà ló lè Idumata. Tọ́lá jalè ní Idumata gbogbo ẹ̀. Wá dúpẹ́ f'Ọlọ́run pé kò go in vain. So now, let's listen to Naira Marley's you know, I've been saying something. And a lot of people seems not to understand. I said, and I quote, IYABO Ojo, why did you and your man friend did not tell us what kpai Mohbad? Like, I'm not saying you were the one that kpai Mohbad. I was just saying why you and your man friend are not giving account of why you and your man friend are not telling Nigerians what happened to Mohbad at UK. You know, I've been asking this question for the past 2 years. I said, who took Mohbad abroad? But I realized something, that the stress is much. The stress home and abroad is really affecting Nigerians. So even when you pick up a point, a lot of them seems not to understand. Since Naira Marley came up since yesterday, nobody has done any analysis. Nobody. Ẹ̀yin abiyamọ. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe mama wo Naira Marley ràn rí? Ó kan Naira lẹ́ni. Ó lè jọ ọmọ yín ló máa kàn lọ́la. Did Insta blog pick? Bá mi check ṣé Insta blog gbé video Naira Marley. Did Insta blog pick Naira Marley's video? How many of the bloggers pick Naira Marley's video? How many did Gist Lover posted Naira Marley's video? How many people picked on Naira Marley's video? Nigerians, it's high time you look at the faces of the bloggers that join IYABO Ojo in sending people to journey of no return. Any blogger supporting IYABO Ojo, they are like cancer in our society. Remember, if it becomes your own turn or your children's turn, the same blogger will be used against you. Insta blog, ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ rí pé bóyá ń bully mi nìyẹn. Ẹ rí pé gba Idumata, ẹ rí pé ẹjọ́ bully mi nìyẹn. Ẹ rí pé ohun tí gbà tí mo gbé èpè fún. IYABO Ojo man sponsor story London Insta blog. And Insta blog was neutral before, but because people are shifting from Gist Lover to Insta blog, àtẹnujẹ ló pa Insta blog. He pushed the narrative. Insta blog posted it.
The police had no reason. He said Naira Marley quote that the police had no reason to arrest him over Mohbad's death.
That is what Insta blog could see. No problem. Now, let's start the analysis one by one. Shola Debo, wọ́n máa gbókú ẹ̀ lọlé fáwọn òbí ẹ̀ ni. Bó ṣe sọ pé you know the rest. Wọ́n máa gbé òkú wo àti Ìyábọ̀ lọlé fún àwọn òbí ẹ̀ ni àti wo àti gbogbo ọmọ tó jáde lára Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ẹjọ́ máa kánjú kú rèwerèwe ni àti gbogbo ìṣẹ̀dá tó bá ń gbèjà Ìyábọ̀ Òjó àti tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ń gbèjà rèwerèwe lẹ máa kánjú kú bí ẹ̀fọn. èyí tó wà níbi comment section yẹn ṣe tó bá mi download ẹ̀ ṣé yẹn rí now mo fẹ́ gbọ́ ilé náà ẹ̀yin èèyàn before we start Mohbad case let's quickly listen to this let's listen to this thing. Well, she's one of Iyabo Ojo's long-time blogger. She has joined hands with Iyabo Ojo to destroy a lot of people. But before we start Naira Marley's show today, I want to expose how these so-called killers, all these killers parading themselves as bloggers, let's see how they operate. Naira Marley's case is very important tonight, but let me quickly bring up a video. Kó tó lọ listen sáwọn èèyàn, mo kàn fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ bí ayé yín ṣe rí. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ máa ń lọ listen sí àwọn ẹgbẹ́ apànìyàn tí wọ́n pera wọn ní blogger. Naira, you did well. When you salamo yesterday when you came, I know it's recorded. It was not live. And I love the fact that when you were speaking to Nigerians, you did not give us that negaro, eyo. You get straight to the point. And thanks for paying attention to the details. The time, the date, and the WhatsApp. Thank you for paying attention to the details. Thank you. Ẹ rí pé pẹ̀lú bí Naira Marley ṣe sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ rí pé àwọn ọmọ kan tí ìyá wọn ti fojú sunkún wọn. Pẹ̀lú àwọn ìyá kan tó ti mọ sàárì ọmọ wọn already. Ẹ rí pé wọn ò tí ì dáhùn náà. Wọ́n sì fẹ́ máa búlì ọmọ yẹn lọ. Iyabo Ojo, the reason why you did this boy, I did not know. But I told you I will be your last victim. And I mean it from the depth of my heart. As you can see, Iyabo Ojo, I will never ever come for you. I don't go for people. Regardless of what you do for a living, I will never go for you. Iyabo Ojo, for a very long time, I know you are not genuine. I know you are fake. I know you are evil. I know you are a lazy bastard. I want you to see how these people, how they ruin a lot of innocent people. I want you to listen to this. Listen to this.
Wọ́n jọ túká nípa ọ̀rọ̀ mi. Wọ́n àbí àbúrò kan tó jẹ́ kó ṣíìtì tó jó lóṣèlú rí. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá mọ̀ tí mo sọ ẹ̀ tó bá jẹ́rọ ẹ máa já mi ò ní sọ jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Ṣùgbọ́n kọ́lọ̀ kó fi ọ̀run kẹ́ ẹnìyẹn kó tẹ̀ sáfẹ́fẹ́ rẹ̀. Ẹni tí mo sọ yìí.
Àwọn tẹ́ ń listen sí ní online, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́. Before we go into Naira Marley's case, people you listen to on social media, I want you to listen to a recent case. This is few days ago. I want you to listen to lies, broad day lies, that can actually kill the whole family. The way they operate, I want you to listen.
Gbogbo yín lẹ mọ̀. Ṣóyè yín. Ibi tí mò ń lọ rè. Obìnrin èyí tó wọ green yẹn ó ti bímọ fún olúbọkùnrin fún. Lẹ́yìn tó.
Ẹ gbọ́, ẹ̀yin team green and team pink. Ṣé bó ṣe rí nìyẹn? Wọ́n ní team green ló kọ́kọ́ la bàbá Ìgbò ní àgàn. Wọ́n ló kọ́kọ́ bí ọmọkùnrin fún. Tẹ́ bá wo case àwọn team green àti team pink. Ẹ rí pé mo stay neutral gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ tán kọ́ nílé rẹ̀. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ̀dá tí ò fẹ́ ní òkú èèyàn lọ́rùn. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ tí wọ́n kọ́ dáadáa tó jẹ́ pé gbogbo ìgbà tí n bá ń kúnlẹ̀ tí n bá ń pe Ọlọ́run mo máa ń fẹ́ sọ fún Ọlọ́run orí inú mi ò rọ́kàn mi o.